Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2021 Scout 177 Sport. Starting off with the boat's profile, this is the midnight blue hull color, white bottom, white rub rail with stainless insert is standard. A lot of space up on the foredeck for casting. Trolling motor panel is standard. There's storage beneath that foredeck, which I'll show momentarily. This boat is also equipped with an optional Fusion Bluetooth stereo and 4 speakers, 2 in the bow and 2 in the cockpit. We have a seat forward of the console that also has a live well beneath and a total of 6 rod holders. Live well beneath the seat there. Acrylic windshield is standard. Pop-up cleats on the midship, 2 at the stern and 1 in the bow. Stainless grab handles, also standard. We have courtesy lighting, battery switch, storage for our batteries. It's also where a battery charger would go if you were to put a trolling motor on this boat. Our stereo is there. We have optional trim tabs with LED indicators showing where those tabs are positioned. Charging ports for your cell phones. Digital gauges from Yamaha. Standard steering wheel from Scout includes a steering knob and is on a tilt base. We do have helm seating for this boat. That is standard. It's currently stowed away. Looks just like that. Beneath the seat, also standard, is an igloo cooler. There's storage areas on both sides, along with tackle storage and easy access to the bilge. This boat does include hydraulic steering as an option. It's powered by a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. We've got a fiberglass wedge, allowing us to easily mount a power pole. 2-step reboarding ladder on the port side. And back up in the bow, we have storage beneath this casting platform. That also includes a 5-gallon bucket. So that is a look at Scout's 177 Sport. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.